the recipe. We're going to recruit people. And by that, I mean, we're going to attract them. We are going to engage them, so make them interested and excited. Then we're going to teach them all the things that they need to know to be a good champion. Then we're going to recognize and reward them. So we're going to talk about the difference between those two, why we need to do both, and then a bunch of ideas of how to do them well. And then don't stop. That is super important. Don't stop. A lot of what happens with security champions programs, like the biggest failure point, is always just that people stop. They get so excited. They do lots and lots of stuff for like 2 or 3 months, and they run out of steam. And then they don't get to see the full benefits of a program. One of my friends has been running one for 5 years, and he actually just went and found a new job because he said, this is going to sound crazy, but they didn't need me anymore. The champions could do literally all of the AppSec work, and my work here is done now. And I'm super proud of my